You see it. And this what this is, baby. It's the Salvage King edition. Back at you with another one. As you can see, it's about to be an all-frame rebuild, baby. 73. Total project. Y'all see it? Total project restoration. Look pretty rough right now, but we're gonna bring this baby back. This is what I do. OG original dunk router. They talking about top 5. We're about to make this thing top 1. Oh, there's 2 bolts on there? I think one right there. Cause look, you got one right there and there's one right there. Yeah. That body about to come up on this side, baby. We off on this side. We off on this side. We have some complications with the driver's side. The driver's side ain't coming off. What the back looking like? Oh, the back ain't came off neither.